this video is optional. As you can see in the docs, if you want to build a Windows app with Flutter, you need to have Visual Studio installed. So let me click on this link and click on free download and save the installer. Let's run it now and select yes if it asks for administrative options. Click on continue and it's gonna make the installer ready. It's gonna take a second. Now select the desktop development with C++ and click on modify/install. It's gonna take a while to install, so relax a bit. While it's installing, go to the link nugget.org/downloads, click on this link, save it, and click on it to install. A window is going to pop up and close almost immediately, which tells us that it's installed successfully. Once it's finished, let's click on OK and we're done. Let's open the test project and then open the terminal. We need to enable desktop support for Windows. So to do it, we have to write here flutter config -- enable -- and now we can write the name of the platform which we want to enable. For us, it's gonna be Windows, but if you also want to create Mac or Linux apps, you can write Linux or Mac here. You just need to keep in mind that you can build Mac or Linux apps only in their respective OS. Now, let's press the dash key again, which is going to be followed by desktop. Finally, let's restart Android Studio. At this point, we need to create the Windows file for our project. So in order to do that, let's write flutter create dot and press enter. We can now choose the Windows device and run it. And as you can see, we are successfully running the app. The last thing that's left for us to do is to open the Start menu and search for Developer Settings. Enable the developer mode and click on Yes.